Being an inventive and special token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected. It really has been very well known recently. Individuals really are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into Nexo. And what's on the horizon for this cash? In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we basically think it in a real sense is a wise venture. Nexo outline. Made in 2018, Nexo is a cryptographic money in light of the Ethereum blockchain. It truly utilizes the ERC20 Truly token norm, which truly is very critical. Nexo flaunts many elements that make it most certainly extraordinary and a wise speculation. Here basically are some of them. Nexo for the most part offers moment advances to individuals who need to involve their digital currencies as insurance. In spite of prevalent thinking, this implies you can acquire cash against your crypto possessions without having to sell them by and large. Nexo in every practical sense has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo especially believability and shows that it is here to sort of remain in a kind of large manner. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This is an incredible approach to in a real sense procure recurring automated revenue, and one reason why we think Nexo is a strong venture decision. The interest for moment advances involving digital currencies as security generally is developing. And Nexo sort of is one of the unmistakable stages in this space. Nexo specialized examination. As per verifiable information, Nexo appears to be a digital money with mooning especially potential explicitly. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient standard help to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token right now just has half of its complete stock available for use, which is genuinely huge. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is inside the essentially top 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having good long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed progressively, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that it basically is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend soon. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital currency could go down in the next few days or hours. As may be obvious, there are especially few different Nexo cost figures out there, or so they thought. Very much like with some other digital money, it relies heavily on how the market will feel in the next few long stretches of time. Nexo Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will especially be 92 cents, which is very huge. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can by and large reach truly is $1.02, or so they thought. The sort of typical exchanging cost is normal around 95 cents. Nexo value figure for October 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In light of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists in every way that really matters expect the exceptionally normal Nexo pace of 90 cents in October 2022. Its kind of least and greatest costs can be anticipated at 82 cents and at 92 cents. Separately, November 2022, Nexo value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the Nexo cost in November 2022, or so they thought. The genuinely least exchanging cost may be 89 cents, while the most extreme could sort of reach 96 cents during this month. By and large, it certainly is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 94 cents. Nexo value gauge for December 2022 in a significant manner. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal Nexo rate they foresee could sort of be around 95 cents in December 2022 in a very huge way. It can drop to 92 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.02. Nexo Value Forecast 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.33, or so they thought. The most extreme expected Nexo cost may really be around $1.59. By and large, the exchanging cost could truly be $1.37 in 2023. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.87 and $2.34 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.94. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency really have examined the costs of Nexo and their variances during the earlier years. It explicitly is expected that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.71, while its greatest can reach $3.22. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.79. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2026, $4.76 and $4.02, which is genuinely huge. Overall, it will by and large be exchanged at $4.13, or so they thought. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists most certainly are continually examining the vacillations of Nexo. In view of their forecasts, the assessed genuinely normal Nexo cost will be around $5.89. It could drop to at least $5.72, yet it actually could reach $6.97 all through 2027. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Nexo, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $8.07 and $10.02 in 2028, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Its typical expense is normal at around $8.31 during the year. Nexo Value Expectation 2029, or so they thought. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the truly most extreme Nexo cost of $13.78, which really is genuinely critical. In any case, its rate could drop to around $11.66. Thus, the normal typical exchanging value sort of is $12.07. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Nexo cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Nexo cost assessment to 2030. It will essentially be exchanged for no less than $16.22, with the entirely conceivable greatest tops at $20.10, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. By and large, you can anticipate that the Nexo cost should sort of be around $16.71 in 2030. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost in a significant manner. The year 2031 not set in stone by the greatest Nexo cost of $28.60, which is very critical. In any case, its rate could drop to around $23.37. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost especially is $24.04. How much will Nexo be worth later on, which is very huge. This is difficult to foresee as everything relies upon the economic situations and long stretches of time to arrive in an unobtrusive manner. Notwithstanding, we sort of expect that Nexo has a lot of potential and could be worth very much later on. Is Nexo a wise speculation? Indeed, we truly feel that Nexo is a kind of wise speculation. It in a real sense has a ton of special highlights that